so long, and the weather is like, you know that weather right before it's about to rain, where it doesn't rain but it's supposed to rain? It's just like a nice cool breeze. If you guys live anywhere like around beaches or anything like that, this is the weather that I feel right now. But if you guys live in like humid states, you know what I'm talking about, where the humidity is gone because it's supposed to rain but it doesn't rain. I mean, you could still feel slight humidity when we're just sitting there, but when we're riding, it's just like, it's just nice cold air. It's a nice breeze and it feels so good. But yeah, we're kind of risking it for the biscuit right now, taking these dirt bikes out to these trails. But I don't think cops come out here, and if cops do come out here, I mean, we're just gonna talk with them and be like, yo, what's really good? Like, what's really good? Do you guys really want to stop people from riding on the streets, or do you guys want to be dickheads and just stop people from riding in general? Because we're going out in the boonies in the middle of nowhere, and if the cops still come out here and get mad at us for riding, then like, that's not even right. Like, I get it, don't ride on the streets, don't be doing wheelies out on the streets where other people are, but when we're out here where nobody else is, what's the problem? So we're meeting up with Josue, the one that used to own my old Arvs, 007, and we're meeting up with him, and oh, there he is right there. So he's gonna come with us. He kicked so much rocks at me, and a rock hit my fucking toe. It hurt so bad. It was such a big rock. Ow. I don't think he knows. On a quad, you don't gun it in front of people when you're doing this type of terrain. That shit hurted it. He also kicked up dirt everywhere. Loser. Oh, they blocked it off. Huh. They really blocked this off. I guarantee it's because they didn't want us riding it. Oh nah, he tried going around and got stuck. Well, what were you thinking? Huh? I said, what were you thinking?
What happened? Why is it blocked?
They got this rope, this metal rope here too. I don't think they want us doing wheelies over there no more.
Gotta get it out of there. Fuck.
There, stallion. I almost hit this rope. I almost hit it because I was about to gun it up the hill.
I saw you gunning right here. Like, if you would have just kept going without thinking. How are we gonna get over there?
I mean, we'll be good. It's easy for.
You gotta just pick it up. Oh, nah, not the ATV won't make it. You said we'll be good?
Yeah. We could fit anywhere, man. we could do a bunny hop over it.
Damn it, man.
Huh?
Help me get this shit out.
That's your ATV, not ours. Our dirt bikes are good.
Well, we head back. I mean,
wait, turn it on. Ride it out. What? Why you have to pull it?
wait, hold on. I'm at the hook.
Oh no, Donovan's stuttering. So he sits on it.
Hit this shit with these branches.
Don't be a pussy, just do it.
I'm not about to get caught up with this shit.
Oh no.
At least if we get it facing straight, I ride it out.
Look, Donovan moved the branch. Go ahead.
And this nigga said, ow.
Well, he tried his very best. All right, go ahead.
Uh-oh.
They really don't want us riding up there no more. You better move, boy. You almost had it. See, ATVs can do anything.
That is so much power, man.
Oh nah, bro, 2 times.
I don't know why she's falling out.
Just push it. Push it. Push it.
How's he gonna get on there?
He's gonna push the ATV.
Where are we even going?
Our turn. He forgot to put the e-brake on. Move, Goofy. Goofy. Move, Goofy. I got a big boy bike, so I'm good. Oh, now you're gonna hit me with your exhaust. Come on! Oh shit, that's good. Oh, okay, we're good. We made it. We made it, boys. Oh, so now I don't know if we're gonna hit trails today in today's video. You guys have to let me know in the comments, man, if you want to see like stuff like this where we just ride on the street, or do you want to see like trail rides and stuff? Oh yeah, Josue got really good at wheelies on the ATV. He can actually go for a long time. I'll show you guys. Let me follow you like next to you while you're doing the wheelie for the GoPro. Fast he is. Don't worry, guys. I'll catch up to him. Maybe not. I don't want to blow my engine out though, honestly. I don't want to like gun it up too much, just because I know these are cheap Chinese bikes, and that's the thing when it comes to buying these. It's like you gotta know you can't like take advantage of it, or else you will blow your engine, you will fuck shit up on it, and it won't last as long. So even though they say top speed is like 40-50 miles an hour, I would stay in the lower 40s. Try not to, like, as you guys can see, I keep it like this in 4th gear. Don't keep it like this, at least not the whole time, because it's a lot of stress on these little ass Chinese engines. Oh shit, he fucked that joint up. Guess we're going this way. He almost slipped out. He fucked up the wheelie bar. That wheelie bar is done for. So that's our friend's ATV. And he already owes our friend a new wheelie bar, so at this point, I don't think he cares if he damages the wheelie bar more, just because he has to get a new one. He just needs to be careful not to go too far back, because it looks like that wheelie bar is no longer like valid, like it's not going to work because it's so bent, that anytime he goes too far back, he's going to scrape the exhaust. Donovan tried it. Look at him. With these little, we look so goofy on these cheap Chinese bikes. I feel like we look like little Mario Kart players just riding on these Chinese dirt bikes. But yeah, I'm just trying to stay behind the pack because I don't want to lead. I don't want them to have to follow me. Oh nah, he went off course. Where is he going? Where is he going? And I want you guys to see how many times they mess up. Yeah, look at him. That's how you do it. You gotta whip it. Alright, so let's see where Josue wants to go. Oh, he's kicking rocks everywhere. Yeah, look at that. And look at the shoulder. We can do it too on dirt bikes, look. I'm scared, honestly. That's why ATVs, quads are a lot more fun when you're riding like just trails and stuff, because I mean, you get to just fucking rip it, not care about anything, and just have fun on it. We haven't been back here in a long time. I wonder if you guys even remember this place.
Alright guys,